Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat short pasta. This one is fizzili, twist macaroni. Fizzili. So I'm gonna make sauce with baby scallop and squid, cuttlefish, using the cherry tomatoes. Okay, let's start cooking. This is 3 liter hot boiling water, 30 gram salt already inside, 130 gram fizzili in. So short pasta takes about around 10 minutes boiling little. Catfish. What can I do? So decoration cut. Okay, hot chili pepper and onion paste and 1 chopped garlic, olive oil, turn on the switch, high flame. Okay, garlic little bit change color. Now start behind. White wine. This is the tomato sauce cube, 80 grams. This is naan. Check taste. flavor. Switch. Let me check al dente, Fizzili. Perfect. Switch. So boil down. Good flavor come to Fizzili. Boil down juice. Check this. Wow, olive oil. Okay, done. Let's start to eat Fizzili, shortpasta. Itadakimasu. Oh, so good. Good texture, shortpasta. So if you like pasta, I recommend shortpasta sometime. So different texture. And boiling time a little bit long, but so good. Matching any kind of sauce. So this recipe is a kind of like a party menu. So if you got some guests, many people, you just serve big dish of a short pasta. I really recommend. So if you take some long pasta, so take time getting texture is soft, but short pasta is keep good texture, good for the party menu. So I'm just recommend this kind short pasta. Very tasty. So today I'm just using Fizzili, like twist pasta. So you can use a penne or conchiglie. Pasta, short pasta. You better try. Delicious. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you.